We want to present our sites, Tawai Rainforest Camp in Sabah Adventure Awaits. These are our team members, and my name is Naishwaran.
Hi guys, my name is Sivu. Hi sir.
Hi guys, my name is Nanan.
Hi, my name is Darshini. Hi, my name is Simon.
Okay, the first line is discovering Tawai's unique charm, which is part of Sabah nature in Sabah, Malaysia, Borneo. And the next one is conservationist, which is where it's established in 2012 by local conservationists, and then this area is covered by 15 acres of protected rainforest, and then shares the contact details. Next slide. Okay guys, so you guys can come here and do 4 kind of activities, which is immersive activities in the rainforest. The first one is jungle treks, which is led by experienced local guides, and the next one is kayaking adventures, which whoever can come here can do the pedal pristine rivers through lush rainforest, which the river is very clean. And the next one is wildlife spotting. There we can spot a type of monkeys which is we call proboscids and the colorful birds. And the last one is they can experience a cultural, which is they can learn about local native tradition. Example like Rainforest Festival, which is celebrated by Kadazan people.
What's the name of this festival?
Rainforest.
What is the name of the festival?
Rainforest.
But there is a name for it, isn't it?
So when I go through the research, it's called Rainforest Festival, which is...
That is in English, but there is a specific name for it. Okay. Do you guys know that? What is it? Exactly.
Kaamatan.
It's for Sabah, and for Sarawak it's Gawai.
Gawai. Sarawak is Gawai. How come I know that? How come you guys don't know that? I never have. Okay.
It's a danger for the knowledge.
There is an interesting fact about it. They just brew a kind of a rice wine during that time.
Yes, sir.
So we talk about the latest.
So you talk about it, but you don't know the name of
The
it.
food part, my reflection we talk about it. Food part, right? It's a different part. Okay. So my part is I talk about camp capacity and utilities. So in the camp they only limited capacity is 20%. Because they use maximum different camp because they can enjoy the evening, they can focus on that. And then we got 2 types of resort is that. One is dormitory bed like for single people. So starting price is 42 ringgit. In the room they will provide 1 AC and balcony and a kettle. So if you got extra budget or either you go with family, so you can choose the recommended queen double room, which is starting price from 120 ringgit per night. And then they provide for a private bathroom, a kettle, and a normal AC. So the second part will be eco-friendly accommodation. So what the nice part is what a nice part of the camp is the campings and lodge are built in the nature. So we can enjoy the nature and eat of one area, can enjoy the bird seeds all the stuff. So last one is the research local, which is that's not research pronounced the rice wine or that. So fresh ingredients and alternative flavors they use to make the foods instead of using Ajinomoto or that. So the food part will the next slide. So next slide is item by research.
So for local Sabah cuisine, there are 3 categories. The first is traditional dishes. They prepare with fresh local ingredients. For example, Hainaba. It's a Sabah style, provide with a raw fish, lime and ginger. And the second is buffet style. They serve in an open air dining area. For example, soup manuk lihim. It's a chicken soup cooked with white rice. Third is dietary option. It's a vegetarian and vegan option available. For example, sayo champo, mix local vegetables in a coconut milk. The next slide. These are the example of the pictures.
Okay, the next slide, journey to Tawai. The journey to Tawai, we must use flights. If you use the cabins under 8 hours, it's long. And then the flight is Kuala Lumpur to Sandakan flight, duration 2 hours 15 minutes. The airlines given is Asia or Malaysian Airlines. Charges starting from RM99.48 for one-way flights. Secondly, Sandakan to Tawai, Rainforest camp, distance about 150 km. Travel time is 2 hours 30 minutes by car. The third is car rental. The car rental available at Sandakan Airport for go to Tawai Rainforest camp by rates provided and vehicle type.
So next is addressing the challenges. In Tawai Rainforest camp, we have 4 kind of the challenges that people will face. For example, limited cell reception. Challenge is weak or no mobile signal in the area. And next is basic infrastructure. Challenge is limited modern facilities. For example, air conditioning and basic restrooms. And third is weather dependent. Challenge is sudden rain and moody trails will happen in Sabah. And next is wildlife encounter. For example, insects, monkey like that, will may enter the campsite. And this is recommendation for improvement that the challenges that I mentioned. And limited cell respiration is provide designed Wi-Fi hotspot in the area. And next is basic infrastructure. Ensure guests can comfort with the solution like natural ventilations and fans, well-maintained restroom and with essential amenities. And third is weather dependent. For that, build elevated walkway and covered at communal areas for rain protector. And the last one is wildlife encounter. Enforce a no feeding policy and use cameras to monitor the wildlife that may enter in campsite.
Okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you. So if you have a chance, I recommend to visit the Tawai Rainforest camp for an unforgettable experience. So okay guys, that's all. I got one question to ask you all. So if you got a chance or opportunity to visit Tawai Rainforest camp for camp, would you bring along with you? Which person? Either your family or your girlfriend or boyfriend? Or sir, for you?
No, first of all, with this presentation, I don't think so I will visit this place.
Why sir?
You have done it right. How many days